So our last option, our last task is the same thing, but it won't be inside a container because it's touching the extreme. Alright, so but it has to have 4 divisions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. To do that, we just come here and we do a div class row. Once we have row sorted out, we can do call, hit enter, then we can duplicate it into 4 places, then we can start listing. So we can just as easily list our links like this, ahref. It's that easy. Udemy for business, Udemy for business. So that's it, and of course we need to make it bold, make B bold, and we're good. That's it, Udemy for business. But some other thing you have to observe is that there's a distance between this and the top. So we're gonna do on the row, we're gonna do padding top 5, just to make sure that there is a distance. Oops, accidentally reloaded that. Then this is touching the body, so we can do a padding x3. So this makes sense, brings it out. So now the question is, how do we put the second the second link below this one? Now there are many ways to do that, but I want to use the opportunity to introduce you to navigation. So if you go to your Bootstrap documentation, go to components, click on navigation, you'll see this page. So navigation is basically how you just put navigation at the top of anything. So but we're looking for, these ones are horizontal, we're looking for a vertical navigation. This is vertical, so we can try this vertical navigation. We'll copy it, and I'm gonna try it in the second column, so paste, just to see if it looks great for us. So keep your eye somewhere here. We'll reload, and you see it works best. And if you come here, you see about, careers, blog, that's what it is. So about, we don't need it to be active, careers, blog. So that's it. We're going to remove the last one. So basically, so instead of us putting, normally you may have been tempted to do something like this, break it and then add more links, like the links we have, become an instructor, mobile apps. So but it's best to use a standard nav. That's what it's built for, just for listing links like that. So we can have become an instructor and instructor, mobile nav, mobile apps, sorry, and Udemy for business. Udemy for business. What of a B? What does it do? Alright, so we're good. Reload. I keep reloading the wrong one these days. So reload. So we're good. Now there are many other things you could do, like work on the spacing in between these two, and the color of the text. Alright, so we'll change the color of the text in the next video, but here let us quickly round up. Let's add this topic support affiliate. So we'll go to our code and copy this, move to the next column. I'm copying this next column, so we'll do topic support affiliate. Topics support affiliate. And the last one is a tricky one because it involves a drop down. Alright, so I want to just go straight up. If you go here, you go to components, and you will see in forms, you'll see forms. Then we look for select boxes. Select. That's assuming it is there. That's it. So this is a select box. Where is it? This is a select box, so we can work with this select box, and remember it has to be inside a form. So we can come here inside this guy and do form, then we'll paste this select box. Then we're not dealing with a multi-select, so we have to remove this multiple there. So we can come here and refresh. Oh good, it's now here. So it makes sense. Now we need to actually change the naming to English. We'll change the title to English. Is there a title? I doubt. I think the first option is what is English. English. That's the first option. I don't think there's a label. And then that's it. There's no label. Then we have to add an icon. And remember how we can add an icon. That's a world icon, globe icon. Okay, so our icon is opening. Alright, so here we can add a globe. Oh, cool. Wonderful. So click here to copy. Then beside English, you can paste and do Japanese. Time to hype my country, Nigeria, Yoruba. So if you are, these are some of the main languages spoken in Nigeria: Yoruba, Hausa. There are 3 main languages in Nigeria, that is Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. So, but generally there are over 100 languages spoken by different ethnic groups in Nigeria. But the Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa are usually the biggest, you see. Okay, so now we've sorted this. In the next video, we need to actually change the color. Look at the blue is not cool. The blue is too shouting, but we need this kind of blue to work with, alright? And generally, we might try to reduce the text size. Thank you very much. See you.